Mama had a dream, but she gave it up for me. And my sister raising kids, man, that ain't a cup of tea. Now she ain't have no cheese, but took us to Chuck E. Cheese. Somewhat of a G, living life so sucker free. Told her what I wanna be, she was cooler than the breeze.
See them down there. They're coming up.
You can see all the houses over there.
I'm already tired.
Mountain. Let's keep walking.
Over, so I keep doing my part. Straight spitting out them bars that'll get us to the stars. Tell me, mama, are we there yet? Mama, are we there yet? Yeah, tell me, mama, are we there yet? Mama, are we there yet?
That street right there.
Shorty was a 10, she was chillin' with her friends. I was tryna be smooth, but I couldn't pretend. So I walked up with a brew, table napkin, and a pen. Told her we should do something, call me when you can, man. After 2 dates, I got her back in my place. She made the bed shake and my heartbeat race. Yeah, we were moving fast, but either one of us cared. Seducing me with that ass, swear it really wasn't fair. Is this just good sex, or is this something that's rare? Feelings do intersect when you choke and pull hair. Are we two single people, or have we become a pair? And to tell you the truth, girl, I ain't ready for that dare. But I saw it in her eyes, she was falling in deep. I barely know you and you barely know me. These are common road rules, we should take it slowly. So before you use words like love, just let me speak. Tell me, baby, are we there yet?
Made it to the top. Made it to the top. Whew, time for a long way down.